Okay, everyone, I want to tell you thank you so much for coming to the rug so quickly after centers. So we're going to start our lesson, and our lesson today is about shapes. So before we get started, I'm going to show you a little video. It talks all about different shapes. Let me get it ready for you. Okay, you guys ready? All right, here we go. Okay, so who had a favorite shape from the video? You like the waffles? I like the waffles too. And do you know what shape the waffles are? They're a square. That's right. So I'm going to show you a bunch of different shapes, and we're going to go through and say them together. Okay, are you guys ready? Do you know what shape this is? It has 3 sides. It's a triangle. That's right. Okay, next one. This is round. It's a circle. That's right. And this is like a square. So it has 4 sides, but 2 sides are longer than these 2 sides. So that makes it a rectangle. Very good. You guys are so good at shapes. Which one's this one? Nope, it's not a square. See? Because whenever you change directions, it's not the same. And it doesn't form a right angle. So this one is actually called a diamond. Who knows what this one is? That's right, it's a heart. A heart for love. Oh, this one's a toughie. So who knows what this one is? You guys are close. So this one has 3 sides. And we already talked about a shape that also has 3 sides. Do you know which one this one is? It's a triangle too. But it looked different than our other triangle, didn't it? So this is still a triangle because it still has 3 sides. And here is our square. You guys are so good at shapes. Okay, we already talked about the circle. Remember this one? Rectangle, that's right. And here's a new one. Who knows what this one is? It's kind of like a circle, but it's real long and skinny. An oval, that's right. You guys are so smart, so good at shapes. Diamond, yep, you got it. Okay, what about this one? They're up in the sky and they're so pretty at night. A star, that's right, it's a star. And we did heart, you're right, we sure did. And this one, look at all these different kinds of triangles. Isn't that cool? They're all triangles, but they look kind of different. So, you know what that means? So we're going to look at the other shapes in a different way now. So, what shape is this? No, it's not a diamond. Remember, this one is our diamond. So they look real similar, but they're not the same. Because this one is kind of like our oval, where it's long and skinny. See, it's still a square. And this one, no matter what way I turn it, it's still a diamond. Okay, so what about that? What do you guys think that is? That's right, it's still a rectangle. So it doesn't matter how many different ways I turn it, it's still a rectangle. You guys are catching on so quick, you're so smart. Now circle, it's still the same, no matter what way I turn it. Isn't that funny? I know, it's always the same way. Okay, so we talked about even if they're different directions, they're still the same shape. So what about if they're small? If they're teeny tiny. So what shape is this? It's still a square. That's right. Doesn't matter if they're really, really big or if they're really, really small. They're still the same shape. Okay, so what's this one? A star. That's right, guys. And an oval. Yes, you're right. That is a blue oval. Very specific. Thank you. And we went over this one. What is this one? Triangle. That's right. It has 3 sides. So, even though this circle looks different from this circle, they're still the same. So this reminds me of people sometimes. Sometimes we meet people and they look very different from us. But that doesn't mean they're not special. And we always treat them nicely and with respect. Do you know what that means? That means we use kind words. And we are kind to them and we are their friend, even if they look a little different or act a little different than us. It's very important because you would want someone to treat you the same even if you were a little different, wouldn't you? Yes, me too. Me too. Okay, so we're going to do something else with shapes. Are you guys ready? So, these, I made little shape blocks for you. So here's a heart. All right, so you can have the heart. And there you go. Okay. And, ooh, here's a hard one here. You can have that one. All right, so everyone hold on to your shape. I want you to look at it very closely so you can figure out what shape you have. Okay, so you look at it. Gonna look at it real close. So I want you, we're gonna go around in a circle and you're gonna tell me what shape you have, okay? Yes, that's right, you have an oval. It's like a circle, but it's longer. Very good. And you have a diamond, that's right, it's kind of like a square, but with longer sides. And you have a heart. Yes, very good, guys. So now that everyone got to hold their shape for a minute and say what they were, we're going to all pass it to the right. Does everyone know which way is right? It's this one, this hand. So everyone pass it this way. Very good. Good sharing. Good sharing, guys. Okay, so now that you have your new shape, here I'm going to get a new shape. Ooh, I like this one. So now that you have your new shape, you're all going to say the name of your new shape. So I have a star. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. It's a star. Very good. Yes, good job. And what do you have? Very good. You guys, oh, you're so smart. Okay, so since you guys are catching on to this so quickly, you are doing so good, we are going to play a game. So you're going to hold on to your shapes, and we're going to sort out. So look at your shape real close. I'm going to describe your different shapes, and I want you to go where I tell you to. So I want everyone who has a shape with straight lines to sit on the right side of the rug. Okay, that's right. You're a diamond, so you sit on the right side, but not ovals. Ovals don't have any straight lines. See, they're all curved lines. So you're going to stay right where you are. Very good sorting, guys. Yes, so the square has straight lines. Rectangle, straight lines. Star has straight, see the straight lines? They're tinier than the other ones, but they're still straight lines. And triangle has straight lines. Very good. You guys are so good at shapes. So I'm going to ask you, we did so good with the shapes, so we're going to put them back in the baggie. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Put them back in the baggie. Good job. Good job. Very good job. You guys are doing great. So now we're going to do another game. And this is going to be like hide and seek, but with shapes. So I have put a bunch of different shapes around the room, and I need you to go guys can do that. So you're gonna be like shape detectives. So you gotta go hunting for all the different shapes that I hid. And so you see one? You do? Is it behind me? You're right, there it is. I put a square, so on your paper, you're gonna mark one square. So you're gonna put a mark for every shape you find, and you're gonna fill out this whole sheet. I know it looks like a lot, but you guys can do it. You're so smart and you're so good at shapes. So if I'm gonna hand this paper out to you, and if you have any questions, you can ask me or ask my assistant, and we will help you find all the shapes, okay? Okay, there you guys go. All right, you guys can walk around the room and go find your shapes. All right. Okay, so you found all the shapes. You did such a great job. So what I'm gonna have you do now is you're gonna find other shapes that are just in the room already and we didn't even know it. So to show you, like this, our tablet here, that's a rectangle. So you're gonna put a mark for the rectangle. And then you're gonna go around the room and see if you can find any circles and squares and different shapes around the room. All right, you go do that and we'll see how many you find. Okay. Everyone almost done? All right, you have a couple more seconds and then we're gonna come back to the rug. Okay, everybody. Thank you all for sitting down so nicely. And everyone gave me their paper. Very good. Good job. You guys did so good finding all the shapes. So we're going to go over the shapes one more time. And then I'm going to tell you what you'll do for homework today. Okay, you ready? Who knows what this one is? It's a circle. That's right. What's this one? A square. What is it now? Oh, it's still a square. You guys are so smart. Can't trick you, can I? And this one, triangle. That's right. Very good. This one, it looks like a square, but it's not a square, is it? Nope, it's a rectangle because it has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. That's right. Oh, it's this one. Oval. It's like a circle, but it's long and skinny. What's this one? Not a square, but it's kind of like a square, isn't it? Because it has 4 sides, but this one's a diamond because it's skinnier. What's this one? A star. Oh, you guys are so good at shapes. I'm so impressed. A heart. That's right. Very good. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go home and be shape detectives. So what you're going to do is I'm going to give you a clean sheet of your shape detective paper. You're going to take it home. You're going to go look around your house and find all the shapes you see around your house. So maybe if you see a window could be a rectangle, or it could be a square. Or maybe you'll look at a doorknob and it makes a circle. So you're going to mark those down on your paper, okay? You guys did such a great job today, and I am so proud of you.